Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC, a performance SUV that blends luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology like never before. The moment you lay eyes on this vehicle, you know it means business. The sleek, aggressive front grille featuring the AMG signature design, along with the bold LED headlamps and sculpted lines, gives the GLC a commanding presence on the road. The black color variant we have today adds a stealthy, high-class look, complemented by chrome accents, sporty AMG alloy wheels, and aerodynamic bodywork that enhances both aesthetics and performance. From the side, the SUV's proportions look perfectly balanced, not too bulky, yet strong and athletic. At the rear, the 2025 model gets updated LED taillights, quad exhaust tips, and a diffuser-style bumper that screams performance. The AMG badging lets you know this isn't just any luxury SUV, this is a machine tuned for serious driving enthusiasts. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the incredibly refined cabin. The black leather AMG performance seats come with contrast red stitching, giving it that sporty yet elegant vibe. The materials used throughout the interior are top-notch, from brushed aluminum trims to carbon fiber accents across the dash and center console. The 2025 model comes with the latest MBUX infotainment system displayed on a high-resolution touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. Voice controls are sharper, quicker, and more intuitive than ever. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and gives real-time performance data, navigation, and driver assistance feedback. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin allows you to personalize the mood, while features like heated and ventilated seats, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control make this SUV a comfortable space whether you're cruising or commuting. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. There's ample legroom, high-quality finishing, and USB-C charging ports for convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG GLC is powered by a handcrafted AMG 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor in the GLC 63 SE Performance variant, producing a combined output of over 670 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 752 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar-level power in a midsize SUV. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.4 seconds, thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and AMG SpeedShift transmission. Driving dynamics are enhanced by adaptive suspension, dynamic engine mounts, and rear axle steering, offering both razor-sharp handling and supreme comfort. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC starts around $75,000 for the base 43 model, while the high-performance 63 SE Performance trim can go beyond $95,000, depending on options. It's not cheap, but you're getting serious performance, Mercedes-level luxury, and everyday practicality in one aggressive package. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLC. If you're looking for an SUV that combines daily usability with sports car performance and top-tier luxury, this is one to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews coming your way.